So, Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Our session today is to teach you how to use Khan Academy. I have prepared accounts for every single one of my students over here. What we'll do is after I do the presentation for you today, after I show you how to do Khan Academy and how to solve the questions in Khan Academy, I'll give you the passwords individually, your username and your password individually. I'll message every single one of you. And anybody who didn't come to class today, for them, what I'll do is I'll post this on YouTube. So you guys, if you think maybe you forgot something or you don't remember, do not message me. Just look at the video in YouTube. Okay. So I'll start right now. So this is going to be our dashboard for Khan Academy. This is how it will look like. Khan Academy will look like this. Now, this is an account that I made for myself. I'll log out over here and I'll show you login again. I'll show you from the start. So first you write down Khan Academy. Spelled it wrong. Khan Academy. So then you can see this portion. Khan Academy is right at the top of your Google search. So click on Khan Academy and then click on login. So this is where you have to put your username or password. I've made an account for each and every one of you in class. Class 6, 9 people, class 7, 7 people, and class 7, 4 people, and class 8, 7 people. Each of you has a distinct username. I'll give it to you after class. So for my one, I've made one for me also. I mean, for this demo, and one as a teacher account where I'll monitor all of your progress. So after I put my email or username and I put the password, I can log in. I'll give it to you guys. You don't have to worry about that. Once you log in, this is what you'll come across. This account I basically used. I joined this account in grade 6, but we also have grade 7 and grade 8. Same idea. These are all of your assignments. Okay, and this is the mastery, unit mastery. What is the difference between an assignment and a unit mastery? You have to do the unit mastery so that you can get all the skills. I don't know if any of you are an expert at this assignment. So how do you know how to do this assignment? You click on this, okay? And then you click on this. There's a video over here. You can watch the video. So a 3-minute video. You do the whole video. You listen to it. You can also check the transcript. What does the transcript mean? It means whatever they have said, this is the written version of that. Okay, so you can see the subtitles also. This is basically the subtitles written down. If some of you don't like the video, don't like to watch the video, you can read this thing. It's better to watch it. It's interactive. It's a very good video. Now, there is another video over here. And like this, they're explaining the whole concept. I've already explained this concept in class. I'm pretty sure some of you might forget. So this Khan Academy is to make sure that if you forget something in class, you can revise it again over here. And then here is an assignment for you to do for practice. You watch 2 videos, you do an assignment. You watch a video, you do an assignment like this, okay? So this is what you will do. And once you do, I can see which assignments you have done and which units you have practiced. Okay, so this whole thing you have to finish. Whole thing over here, unit 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All of this within Monday. Okay, so each of these has 4 questions here, 4 questions here, 4 questions here, 4 questions here, 4 questions. This is a quiz. 5 questions over here. 5 questions over here. 5 questions over here, and unit test, so 10 questions. So these are the exercises for each part. And you also have videos for each part. Okay, one video, one practice. One video, one practice. And then you have a quiz for all of this together. So we have, this will be our format from now on. Okay? Now, once you finish this complete thing, and this is another unit that you have to do for class 6, you have to finish this whole thing also. I'm assuming it should take you at least, I mean, even if you're very fast, it should take you at least 1 hour for each unit. Okay, so 2 hours at least. I mean, some people might take much more than 2 hours, but it should take you around 2 hours, even if you're fast. So 2 hours total, and then you do all of these tests again, assignments again. Okay. So this is for practice, and this is the assignments. You have to complete both the assignments and the practice, both of them. Am I clear? Write down in the chat. No, you don't have to log in, Muntasir, in your account. I'll give you the accounts afterwards. I mean, you don't have the accounts. I made the accounts for you guys. I'll give it to you. If you have any questions after this video, if you still feel like I don't understand anything, then you guys can tell me and we'll have another session. Okay. So all of this you can see in Monday, it's due by Monday, June 29th. Today is 25th. June 29th or at night, 12 o'clock. All of this is due for class 6. Okay, now I'll show you for the other classes also when is it due. One second, let me share this screen. Okay, so you can see for here. Oh, so for class 7, I made it a Sunday. I think I'll increase it by 1 day. Uh, because everybody else I'm giving till Monday. Class 7 I did till Sunday. And class 8 is yeah till Monday. So I'll change class 7 to Monday also. So I can see each and everybody who's doing what. So for example, if I click over here, I can see how much progress each student has made. So I'll know what you're doing, when you're doing, and how much are you doing. If you're doing well, I can help you out. If you're not doing well, I can basically give you more guidance. So this will help me, keep track of all of your progress. Okay? Yeah, this is what I can see. This screen is what I can see. This is not for you guys. I'm just telling you that, you guys need to know that I can see everything. Otherwise, some of you will not do anything. So I can see what each person is scoring, when they're scoring, when they're doing the homework. If they're doing very early, I might give you extra points. If you're doing very late, or if you do after Monday, so suppose this is due on Monday, I'll make it due on Monday. If you want, I can change it now. Yeah, let me change it. Look over here. Let me change it. Let's change this to Monday. So if you guys behave, maybe I can add more homework. Some of you might want, sir, I'm not clear about this. I want more homework. Some of your parents have requested me, give us more homework. In that case, I'll just increase the homework for that person. If that person is disturbing in class, what will I do? I'll increase the homework. Okay, so now I have an extra thing to punish you. I can use this to punish you also. Khan Academy is just the start. We'll be adding more things. We have done simulations in class, right? I'll give you simulations as homework as well. But this will be later addition. I just want to add Khan Academy at the beginning. Okay? And I also want to show you guys something. Maybe not today. No, not today. We'll have a learning management system. So we'll have one place where you can see all of your homework for the day. Not now. This is also something that we're going to do later on in our school. So I guess that's it. If you guys have any questions, any questions, then please ask me. Otherwise, we'll end class over here. And I'm also going to stop sharing and stop the recording as well.
স্যার এগুলা কি